That's what I be looking like on the front camera? Oh no. Ew. Sometimes when I unlock my phone and that front camera come on, I am always surprised. Depending on how I'm holding my phone at what angle, I'm like, oh my gosh, like I got 4 chins. Or if your camera quality too popping, you see all your pores and your pimples. Like that front camera just be amazingly like disappointing sometimes. Like, yo, I'm not expecting for me to scare myself. I look like a monster sometimes when I open up that front camera. I don't think anybody open up them front cameras and be looking popping. Like, there is no way. There is no way. Especially when you're coming off at a surprise. Like, I know sometimes I like to people like, wait. Let me take that picture. And I be concentrating. My face be like, and I look up like, oh. I didn't know the camera was facing me. It was supposed to be facing the other way. Like, listen. I'm at like a loss for words because it really be disappointing sometimes. It makes me think like I get told that I'm pretty all the time. Like y'all must be lying to me because the front camera says something else. Like my front camera, even now, like that front camera right there told me something completely different. And I know I'm not the only one that gets surprised by the front camera sometimes. But guys, thank you for watching. And if you like what you see, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.